everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah. If you're new here, I would love to have you subscribe. Just click that red subscribe button down below and make sure that you click the bell beside of it to turn on your post notifications. You can also head over and follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is the same as here on YouTube, Hannah's Happy Home. Today's video is going to be another clean with me video to give you guys some cleaning motivation and inspiration, and you can clean right along with me. So the first area that I started my cleaning today was there in the laundry room. I got a load of laundry started, and then I headed out here into the living room to get this tidied up and vacuumed. The reason that I needed to do some cleaning today was because we had Kyle's birthday party, and so the house needed a good cleaning, especially in the kitchen where the party mainly happened, where I had all the decorations and stuff. So I needed to clean everything, get the floor cleaned after all of the cake and stuff that had gotten eaten and spilled on the floor, and get all of the decorations taken down. And you're sort of seeing things backwards because the next video to go up on my channel should be the decorate with me video, where I decorate for Kyle's party and I prep all of the food and the cake, and also I show a little bit of his birthday party, so stay tuned for that video. Today's cleaning video is a little bit shorter than my cleaning videos usually are. I usually try to make them a little bit longer than this, just so that you have plenty of time to clean along with me. But when you get to the end of this video, I will have my cleaning playlist linked, and in that playlist is all of the cleaning videos that I've ever uploaded. So you've got hours and hours of cleaning motivation. You can clean along with me for as long as you need to. Those glass drink canisters, I got those from Walmart, I want to say like 3 years ago. I got them right before Kyle's second birthday party, so it would have been 3 years ago. I am so glad that I bought them. They're so awesome to have on hand when you're having a birthday party like this, or just when you're having a group of people over for supper. And like I said, stay tuned for my next video, which will be up in a couple days. I'll show you how I decorated everything and how I made the cake and all the food that I made, all the party prep stuff, and some clips of his birthday parties. Make sure that you stay tuned for that. You're cleaning along with me right now, then let me know down in the comments what you're getting cleaned or what you plan on cleaning after you watch this video. I always love reading through all of the comments of you saying that these videos are motivating for you and all that you got cleaned while you were watching it. It gives me inspiration to continue filming these cleaning videos. And as you can see, I had quite a few dishes stacked up from that party, and actually I was running late at the last minute before everybody got there. I started stuffing dishes into the dishwasher that I wasn't planning on keeping in there, but I just wanted to hide them them away before everybody got there. I'm sure that everybody else has done that too, right? Before people come to your house, you just start stuffing pans and stuff into the dishwasher to hide them out of the way. I'm using some more of that Miss Meyer's dish soap in the peony scent. I think that they still have some of that available. I'm not sure. I haven't ordered any of it recently because I have a bunch of the mint in stock that I'm going to use next once I use up the peony. But they both smell amazing. All of the Miss Meyer's scents usually always smell amazing, and I get those from Grove Collaborative. And always check down in the description box because you can always get free stuff with my link from Grove Collaborative. So I got the whole kitchen cleaned up, all the party stuff put away, all those dishes washed, and then I cleaned the floor and got it mopped. It feels so good to have the kitchen clean again after you have a party like that and your house gets a mess and there's like party decorations everywhere and stuff. You just want everything to be back to the way it was before, so it feels really good to have the kitchen back to the way it was before. And if you noticed, I was sweeping the floor with a broom, and that was because Owen was taking a nap and my husband was also taking a nap as well, because this was back when he was still baling oat hay at night. They are done with that now, but there was quite a while where he was having to work nights baling oat hay, so that's why he had to sleep during the day. After I got that laundry folded, I headed back to our hall bathroom to give that a quick cleaning, and after that I was all done with my cleaning for the day. I hope that you all enjoyed this cleaning video and that it was motivating for you, and be sure that you give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and also leave me a comment down below. I love reading through all of the comments. I always read every single comment, even if I don't get a chance to reply to them all. Just know that I always do read every single one. And also, like I said before, if you're new here, I would love to have you subscribed. It's completely free. Being subscribed just lets you know every time that I upload a new video, and make sure that you have the bell clicked beside the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And also, you can head over and follow me on Instagram, like I said as well. My Instagram name is Hannah's Happy Home, and I'll see you all in a few days with a brand new video. It should be that video of me decorating and prepping for Kyle's birthday party.